guys, welcome to my channel MNC Vibes. Today I am going to share recipe of KFC style fried chicken home style. Before that, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Many of them do KFC chicken with cornflakes, oats to get the texture, but it doesn't attain that texture or taste. Today I am going to share you the secret behind the KFC fried chicken recipe. Now, let's get started. For KFC fried chicken, I am taking 500 grams chicken with bones. Firstly, we should marinate the chicken. For marination, I am adding half tablespoon dark soya sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup, half tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half lemon, 1 teaspoon salt. Now mix all the ingredients well. Now I am adding chicken to it. And mix it well. Now I am adding 500 ml buttermilk to it. Adding buttermilk to the chicken makes chicken juicy. Now mix all the ingredients well and cover it with a lid. Marinate for at least 1 hour. It is better to marinate at least up to 3 to 4 hours, or you can keep it overnight for best results. Now for coating, take 1 egg and beat it well. And I am taking 1 cup maida, half cup corn flour, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half tablespoon mixed herbs. You can adjust salt and red chili according to your taste. Now mix all the ingredients well. And now take the marinated chicken, dip the chicken in the coating, press or pinch the chicken well to get the texture. And I am dipping it into the water. After that, I am dipping into the egg white. And again dip the chicken piece into the coating. Make sure that coating is applied well. Repeat the same for rest of the chicken pieces. Don't coat all the chicken at once. Coat it before you are placing into the oil. If you coat all the chicken pieces at once, it becomes wet since it takes nearly 10 to 15 minutes to get cooked. And you might not get KFC texture. So better coat it before you place into the oil. I am pouring oil in a small vessel, which is perfect and doesn't need to take more oil. Now heat the oil and place the coated chicken and deep fry for 10 to 15 minutes in the medium flame. Make sure that flame is in the low to medium so that chicken will cook well inside. If we fry the chicken in the high flame, it turns the chicken golden faster and leaves the chicken uncooked inside. Fry the chicken until it turns golden. Yummy KFC style fried chicken is ready. Guys, you can easily make KFC fried chicken at home. Please try the recipe and mention in the comment section below. Also, please do support my channel, like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.